Space is vast, an endless expanse that stretches beyond our wildest imaginations. It's filled with stars, planets, and mysteries we are only beginning to understand. Each celestial body holds secrets, waiting to be uncovered by our ever-advancing technology. Among these mysteries are rogue planets, worlds without a star to call home. These planets drift aimlessly through the cosmos, untethered and alone. Imagine a planet shrouded in darkness, drifting through the emptiness of space. No sun to warm it, no light to guide it, just an endless journey through the void. This is a rogue planet, a celestial nomad ejected from its star system, fated to wander the cosmos alone. These planets are castaways, flung into the vastness of space by powerful gravitational forces. Rogue planets are not just figments of science fiction. They are real, tangible objects that exist in the universe, challenging our understanding of planetary formation and dynamics. They are a chilling reality of the universe we inhabit. Their existence raises questions about the stability of planetary systems and the forces that can disrupt them. These planets form like any other, from the swirling disk of gas and dust around a young star. Over time, they coalesce and grow, becoming fully fledged planets. However, gravitational interactions with other planets or passing stars can disrupt their orbits, flinging them out of their systems and into the icy depths of interstellar space. These interactions are violent and chaotic, often resulting in the ejection of planets. Detecting these dark, wandering worlds is a challenge. Their lack of a nearby star makes them incredibly difficult to spot with traditional methods. Since they emit no light of their own, astronomers rely on indirect methods, such as gravitational microlensing. This technique is one of the few ways we can detect these elusive objects. This technique observes how a rogue planet's gravity bends and distorts the light from distant stars, revealing its presence. It's a subtle effect, but one that can unveil the hidden wanderers of the cosmos. While we have discovered a number of rogue planets, their true number in the Milky Way remains unknown, potentially outnumbering the stars themselves. The universe is vast and its secrets are many. Rogue planets are just one of the many mysteries that await our discovery. Now imagine this rogue planet, hurtling through the void, its trajectory set on a collision course with Earth. This rogue planet, a wanderer of the cosmos, moves with a relentless and unstoppable force, indifferent to the fragile life forms that call Earth home. The consequences of such an impact would be catastrophic, an extinction-level event dwarfing anything our planet has experienced before. The collision would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, obliterating everything in its path. The sheer kinetic energy released upon impact would unleash unimaginable destruction, instantly vaporizing vast portions of the Earth's surface. Cities, forests, and oceans would be reduced to nothing in a matter of seconds. The impact would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a global scale, reshaping continents and unleashing tsunamis that would dwarf the tallest mountains. These seismic activities would continue for years, altering the very face of our planet. The atmosphere would be choked with dust and debris, plunging the planet into a perpetual twilight, blocking out the sun and causing temperatures to plummet. This would lead to a dramatic shift in climate, making survival even more challenging. While wildfires rage across the globe, consuming everything in their path, these fires would spread uncontrollably, fueled by the debris and destruction, leaving behind a charred and desolate landscape. The impact itself would be only the beginning of the disaster. The initial collision would unleash a cataclysmic chain of events that would forever alter the face of our planet. The Earth's delicate biosphere would be thrown into chaos, with the very fabric of life unraveling at an unprecedented rate. Ecosystems would collapse and countless species would be wiped out in an instant, leading to mass extinction events that would leave the planet barren and lifeless. The impact would release enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, triggering a runaway greenhouse effect. This would send temperatures soaring, boiling away oceans, and rendering the planet uninhabitable for any form of life as we know it. Even if some life managed to survive the initial impact and its immediate aftermath, it would face a bleak and uncertain future on a scorched and toxic planet, struggling to find a way to adapt. The impact would likely alter Earth's orbit and rotation, throwing the seasons into disarray. This would further disrupt the delicate balance of life, making it nearly impossible for any remaining species to thrive. Faced with such a cosmic threat, humanity's survival hinges on our ability to detect and deflect such a rogue planet. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, or PDCO, is tasked with scanning the skies for potentially hazardous objects, including asteroids and comets, and developing strategies to mitigate the risks they pose. One such strategy is the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, which successfully demonstrated our ability to alter the trajectory of a small asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. However, dealing with a rogue planet, with its vastly greater mass and momentum, would require a far more powerful and sophisticated approach. Given the limitations of our current technology, some scientists believe that our best hope lies in establishing a self-sustaining colony on another planet, such as Mars. While this remains a daunting challenge, it offers the potential for a long-term solution, ensuring the survival of our species beyond Earth. Building a self-sufficient colony on Mars would require overcoming numerous obstacles, from the planet's thin atmosphere and lack of liquid water to the challenges of long-duration space travel and the psychological effects of isolation. However, the potential rewards, including the preservation of our species and the expansion of human knowledge, make it a risk worth taking. Another, albeit less appealing option, is to seek refuge underground. Deep underground bunkers, stocked with supplies and designed to withstand the apocalypse above, could offer a temporary haven for a select few. These subterranean shelters would need to be self-sufficient, capable of providing food, water, and clean air for years, perhaps even decades, until the surface environment stabilized. Life in these underground enclaves would be far from idyllic. Confined to cramped quarters, cut off from the sun and the natural world, the survivors would face psychological challenges as they grappled with the loss of their world and the uncertainty of their future. The news of a rogue planet on a collision course with Earth would undoubtedly trigger widespread panic and social upheaval. Faced with the prospect of their own mortality, people would react in myriad ways. Some might turn to religion, seeking solace in their faith, while others might abandon all hope, indulging in reckless hedonism. Governments would struggle to maintain order as society teetered on the brink of collapse. Resources would become scarce, leading to conflict and unrest. The very fabric of civilization, built upon the assumption of a future, would be tested as never before. The prospect of a rogue planet colliding with Earth is a sobering reminder of the fragility of our existence. It forces us to confront our place in the cosmos, not as masters of the universe, but as inhabitants of a small, vulnerable planet in a vast and often chaotic universe. While the threat of a rogue planet impact may seem remote, it underscores the importance of continued investment in space exploration, planetary defense, and the search for alternative homes beyond Earth. For in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our future remains unwritten. The question is, what will we choose to write? For more updates on your infinite universe, like and subscribe to the channel.